In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned user of Mailchimp or just starting out, knowing how to efficiently add contacts to your email list is essential for effective communication with your audience. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up and set one up properly. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is the central hub for all your Mailchimp activities, from campaign creation to audience management. Next, direct your attention to the main toolbar at the top of the page and find Audience. Click on it and then select Add Contacts from the drop-down menu. This will lead you to the option to import contacts. This feature is crucial when building your email list or transferring one from another service. Now, you'll encounter a few different methods to bring in your contacts. The first option is to import from another service, such as Google or Salesforce. This is a convenient choice if you want to integrate contacts directly from these platforms. Another option is to upload a file like a CSV or TXT file. This is particularly useful if you have contacts stored in spreadsheets or other databases. If you prefer a hands-on approach, you can use the copy and paste method, especially handy when you're working within Excel or Google Sheets. Finally, for those of you on the move, you can add contacts from your phone or scan a contact image using the Mailchimp mobile app, making it accessible no matter where you are. After analyzing your options, select the method that best suits your current situation and click Continue. Each method will guide you through specific steps tailored to that choice. Ensure you have your files or data ready for a smoother process. Next up is mapping the fields. This step is crucial because it ensures that Mailchimp knows how to categorize your data. For instance, fields like email, first name, and last name need to align correctly with Mailchimp's database. Carefully check and adjust each field, ensuring that every piece of information lands in the right place. Once all the fields are perfectly aligned, it's time to review your import setup. Double check the details to avoid any errors or omissions. When you're satisfied that everything looks good, hit Complete Import. And that's it. Your contacts are now successfully added to your Mailchimp audience list. This addition will enhance your ability to engage and communicate with your subscribers effectively. Be sure to explore Mailchimp's other features to take full advantage of your new contact list and keep your communication strategy fresh and engaging.